I got some questions here on number 31. I think one of the main problems with number 31 is that it's really the plugging into the calculator. For the most part, they give you the mass of a robot is 5,450 kilograms, and the robot weighs 3,620 newtons more on planet A than it does on planet B. Both planets have the same radius. What is the difference in their masses of these planets? So to start off, we start by writing down what we know. We know the mass of the robot. We know that we can't write everything in terms of an equation. We know that the weight, which is the force of gravity on planet A, is 3,620 more than the force of gravity on planet B. So to try to break this down and incorporate the radius, we use the long force of gravity equation. So the force of gravity on planet A can be gravity times the mass of the object times the mass of planet A. I put big MA, so we know that we're talking about the mass of planet A. Divided by r squared is equal to the force of gravity of planet B, which is big G times the mass of the robot times the mass of the planet divided by r squared. And r squared is the same, so I don't have to put in RA squared or RB squared, plus 3,620. I can start plugging things in and simplifying, but I can try to clean up the equation before I plug in any numbers. I move the G times the mass of the robot times mass of planet B over r squared to the left and subtract it. There's a lot of common variables on the left, so I kind of isolate them and I clean up the equation. I get like this, and then I kind of got lucky because the mass of A minus the mass of B is right there, so I just have to isolate that one part of the equation by multiplying both sides by r squared and dividing both sides by G times little m. So I get m mass of planet A minus mass of planet B is 3,720 times r squared over G times the mass of the robot. Then I can actually now plug in the actual values I know, since everything's there. And assuming we plug it into our calculator correctly, we should get 1.76 times 10 to the 24 kilograms.